日本の皆さんこんにちは、神戸の大西貿易の南部です。オブスナップは、マレーシアの中でも数少ない計測機器、計測測量分野でのトップレベルの、トータルソリューションプロバイダーの一つであることを証明します。オブスナップにはこれら分野の十分な知識と経験を持ち合わせたスタッフが多数在籍しており、販売からアフターケアまできめ細やかなサービスでお客様のご要望にお応えします。我々は彼らオブスナップとパートナーであることを誇りに思います。
So from small they have gone it to so big that from now they have a variety of equipments which I think is suitable for all kind of markets.
OpsNet is helpful in terms of to measure our quality into to fulfill our requirement and good service provider.
OpsNet is a professional and their product is a good quality and also they provide a good service. Okay, must buy from OpsNet.
So Victor has also customized the test report based on our requirement and we are certified with it. Every day we will perform tensile tests and welding strength tests on the sample from our production. Victor Universal Testing Machine has good quality, accurate and reliable, and we are very happy with the performance of the machine.
We are from the Linton University College. We already purchased tensile machine and we use it for 2 years and no problem as long as now. And then this product is very good. And we always use for student and for research student.
And we have been purchasing our inspection kit from OpsNet, which I find it to be very reliable. I would like to take this opportunity to thank OpsNet for their continuous support.
OpsNet is a very good company to me. I bought a few stuff from them and it was very helpful. Overall, OpsNet is brilliant. The staff is brilliant. And I never met Joe. I mean, cool, but Joe was okay. He was a good guy. So everything is fine. I'm gonna come back again over here. Thank you.
I joined OpsNet for more than 10 years, so I'm glad to be part of OpsNet and I'm very happy to work here.
OpsNet, you're very professional. I will always be with you.
OpsNet, I'm impressed. You are the specialist.
OpsNet service is really good.
OpsNet punya service memang bagus.
OpsNet, your product is great.
OpsNet is professional.
As we reflect the time since the start of OpsNet Instruments and the years ahead, let me take this opportunity to offer my sincere thanks to you for our customers and business partners. Thank you for doing business with us and thank you for continuing to put your trust on OpsNet. Nearly a year ago, we embarked on a restructuring aimed at creating a new OpsNet. We have made significant progress improving all aspects for our business. With the help of new technology, we are ever ready to serve you better. We are 100% focused on providing total solution for testing and measurement and putting you, our customer, as the center of everything we do. We value your business and especially grateful. I hope you can join us as we continue to evolve. I'm excited about what we have prepared this year, next year and beyond. Thank you.